Have you ever gone inside your bedroom and the Philips Hue switch doesn't work? Today we're gonna help you out with that with a simple method to make this responsive again. Yes, hello, welcome. Welcome back guys to another tech video with Human and Suten. And as I said earlier, today we're gonna fix the issue when this gets unresponsive. Let's get to it. So the easiest way to do this is you're gonna take your 4 fingers and you're gonna press the 4 buttons at the same time. So that's what we're gonna do now. So we're pressing and we're holding. And it's a steady green here, so we're gonna wait and hold. And you see it's blinking, and now it's done. And now we can see, yes, it turned off, turned on, turned off. And what an amazing experience with Philips Hue Dimmer Switch. Amazing. Do not forget to comment on this video if you want any suggestions or if you have any questions. Do not forget the share button to share this with your friends. That like button so we can get some upvotes on this video. And do not forget the notification bell so you get notified, and the subscribe button so you can get our videos on your feed. So this is from us to you. We hope you a smart home ecosystem, and do not forget who this is. Human and Suten.